Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Finally got a chance to get the 69 Dart in the shop. Figure out what's wrong with it. Took the motor apart and wasn't too happy with what I saw. So follow me inside. Sleep good, cuz Kurt. Alright, so finally took the motor apart. Got it in the shop. And the number 4 piston looks like it went on a permanent vacation. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see if I can get the light. You can see where I circled it off. It's cracked there. And the most damage done in that cylinder right there. So people telling me I should sleeve it. I say it's a big boat anchor. I already had another motor in the works. I'm gonna stroke out a 400 and put that in. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna take this car to service for a little while. This is an old build, at least 10 to 15 years old. I want to go through this car piece by piece, get it painted and bring it out right. That's the plans for this car. Stay tuned for let me see if my camera work with me today. It's not cooperating. Well, if you can see out there and see Ruckus, that's gonna be next up. We'll put some stuff in there, make that a nice little street car. And after Ruckus, I'm gonna put together that 85 stepside that I picked up with a nice small block and overdrive. And after that project comes, remember, the 66 Coronet, the small block. I'm not sure which way I'm gonna go with that. And then after that, I'm probably gonna put this one, fix the Challenger for my cuz Kurt Harris. He always wanted me to do some stuff to it. So it looks like it's gonna get done. Oh, in Ocean City, wait a minute, come back. Ocean City, Maryland is coming up the 19th or the 20th of this month. Should be Thursday or Friday to Sunday. Bango Bus is there, I'm there. And some other stuff coming up, but for now, that's all the top of my head that I can think of. And I'm gonna watch this video, the last day of Dirty Dianna for 2021. I think this is the run that the motor blew. Yeah, because they backed me out. This was the last one right here. That was the last burnout. All right, people, be good.